In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a donation form to your Squarespace website. When it comes to building an effective online presence, a donation form can be an invaluable tool for charities, non-profits, and even personal projects that rely on community support. So let's dive in and take this step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to your Squarespace website and click on the login option. This is how you'll access the back end of your website where all the editing magic happens. Once you're on the login page, it's easiest to click on Continue with Google. This method speeds up the process, especially if you're someone who prefers to have a streamlined login experience without needing to remember another password. Once you've logged in, you'll see a dashboard with all the websites you manage. Click on the website where you want to add your donation form. This will take you to your website's customization area. Now that you're in the editing zone, locate and click on Edit. This button allows you to modify the content and layout of your current pages. You should now see the editing interface with sections representing different parts of your web page. Next, you'll want to click on Add Block. In Squarespace, blocks are the building components of your site. They let you add various types of content like text, images, or in our case, a donation form. From the menu that appears, click on Donation. Selecting this option will bring up a pre-built donation form that you can insert directly into your web page. It's designed to help you quickly collect donations without needing extensive coding knowledge. After adding the donation form, you'll see a pencil icon, usually located on the form itself or in the editing panel. Clicking on it will open up more options for customization. You're not just stuck with the default template, you can adjust the form to better fit your site's aesthetics and functionality. Once you've clicked the pencil icon, look for the design option. Clicking here opens a panel where you can start designing your donation form. You're given a host of options from changing fonts and colors to arranging form elements. Use this opportunity to ensure your form is visually appealing and aligns with your brand's identity. Finally, start designing your donation form. Think about the user experience. A clean, intuitive design can encourage visitors to follow through with a donation. Consider including suggested donation amounts or a brief message about how contributions will be used. And there you have it. Your donation form is ready to go. Be sure to preview your site to check how it looks and functions. Always test your form to confirm that the donation process is smooth for your supporters. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this has been helpful in expanding your Squarespace site's capabilities.